We are filming the swarming of the golden finch.
A birdhouse up in the tree that they go fly
That's
in,
actually
like,
a squirrel house.
Actually,
It's actually a what?
A
that's where
squirrel.
the squirrel hides its food.
Are you kidding?
No, I took it down one day and he had a fit. It sat up there and just hollered and hollered and hollered until I put it back up. And there's all sorts of
You
stuff in there.
caved. You caved to the squirrel.
I gave the squirrel back his food.
Oh,
Yep.
Oh, this is neat. I am actually getting them up
He had all
close.
sorts of stuff in there.
so now he likes you?
Yeah.
iOS 7 put a zoom in the video.
Mhm.
Oh, this is so cool. There's got to be 35 to 40 golden finch in our yard right now.
You know, Cloud, I've been waiting and waiting.
And you know what? When that one goes away, there's another one right behind it. Unfortunately.
Oh, this is just so neat. Fall in Wisconsin. All you see is movement. Oh my goodness. Alright, that's a minute and a half of birds. That's enough.